Jai Hind, Jai Shri Ram. Good morning, everybody. Yo, guys. Want this champagne glass blender file free? Only first 100 subscribers will get the blend file with shader, render, lighting, everything. Just subscribe to this channel. Take a screenshot. DM me on Instagram at royal_prince_143. And don't forget to follow there too. File will be sent personally gift. Let's go. So, before beginning the tutorial, watch the reel on how to add a reference image, which I have pinned with this tutorial. Click on the link and watch it, then continue with this tutorial. Let's begin the modeling. Press Shift+A and then add single word. Then set that vertex on the glass top left side. Now go to front view by pressing comma or else 1. Then go to edit mode. Select the single word. Extrude same as an image glass shape. I have provided an image first. Just take a screenshot. After completing extruding, press A to select all at once, stay in edit mode then. Press S then see which side you are. I am in the front view, so press the Y and set a perfect line like this. I hope everybody has completed it. Now, find the spin to the downside left. Click on it, and you will see the plus sign circle on the selected vertex. Now simply drag it, and if you can't do it properly then check spin details downside check and type 360 in the angle. Also, add 30 edges or according to your requirement. And check that right mark checked on auto merge. Now your glass modeling is ready. And let's create drink modeling. For that again you have to be in the front view. Turn on X-ray by pressing the Alt+X or sign above the right side. If you don't turn on the X-ray then you can't select backside faces properly. Now, press 3 for the face selection and select according to your drink requirement in the glass. Then press Shift+D for the duplicate selected faces. Then don't move your mouse anywhere, press the escape key on the keyboard. And then press P or go to faces and select a separate object. Then, without moving object, go to object mode by pressing the tab key. And you have your drink according to your glass. Now select the drink object and go to edit mode by pressing the tab key and pressing 2 for edge selection. Select top edge by Shift plus Alt plus left mouse button. Then go to the face menu and click on the grid fill to fill the edge we have selected. Turn off the X-ray mode by pressing Alt plus Z again. Now press 3 and select the center face on the top. And turn on proportional edit by pressing press 0 or going to this sign. Then go to front view, press G and you will see the circle like this. Roll is down or up according to your size and then slightly move up the face you have selected. So due to proportional editing, it will go up proportionally and maintain shape. And your drink modeling ready. Now press the tab key and come to object mode. You have the shader of the glass, but on YouTube nobody provided a drink shader tutorial. For the first time in history, you will get it at the Moongod studio. Now for the shader, I have provided an image of it so you can easily do it by yourself. And if you want a .blend file, then subscribe to the channel. Check the comment on how to get a .blend file. Make your weekend more beautiful. Yes, you can use it in your portfolio. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, Jaya Hind, Jaya Shri Ram.